Hello and good day, Andy here with POP Yachts. Today we're ready for some fast fun on the water. A rare find by Excel. This is their 18-foot Bowrider. Pretty much every other one available is an inboard-outboard stern drive. This is a 94 hull, but it's been repowered with a 2016 Yamaha 115 horsepower 4-stroke. There's warranty on it until June of 2020. Beautiful stainless steel prop on the back. Dual integrated swim platforms. Starboard side has a fold-down swim step for easy access to the water. Motor was professionally installed, and at that time they added C-Star hydraulic steering, always a nice feature, as well as dual batteries with a switch. The bottom paint has been removed. The whole sides are in good condition overall. A little bit of oxidation along the top portion. A quick wax job will go a long way. Really sleek wraparound windshield. It walks through, so then you've got great access to the bow seating area. Storage under all those cushions as well. It's sitting on a single axle, Myco galvanized trailer. Owner's in the process of replacing the starboard bunk board and carpet. Easy steps up on both sides. Go ahead and get a quick peek under the keel. Easy to load, easy to tow. Nice wide beam, offers plenty of deck space. It's rated for 6 people on board. Got multiple seating options with slide down seat cushions which turn into benches, so you've got forward and rear seats and plenty of cup holders. There's been a new bilge pump installed. With the motor you've got a digital tachometer, digital depth gauge, and then a multifunction screen which gives you oil pressure, temperature, you've got trip hours, and then overall hours as well. Compass keeps you pointed in the right direction, and your accessory switches right where you need them. There are speakers already installed, but a new stereo head unit is needed. A couple of leaves from the oak tree that provides wonderful shade in the afternoon. Really comfortable deck carpet. This thing's ready for a long day of fun on the water. Please take this opportunity to check out all of the high-resolution photos we have posted on popyachts.com and give me a call today. My name's Andy. Happy to answer any specific questions you have. Look forward to meeting you in person. The owner is ready to liquidate ASAP so someone else can have a lot of fun on the water. Call me today. Talk to you soon.